nature of the roots of a quadratic equation. So here we are going to discuss about the nature of the roots of a quadratic equation, that is whether they are of real or imaginary or rational or irrational or equal or unequal. So here this will depends upon the discriminant value, which is denoted by the symbol delta or capital D, which is equals to b square minus 4ac. So now we are going to discuss about the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation in an advanced level. So here first of all let us know about the discriminant. Here a quantity which is b square minus 4ac is said to be or is called a discriminant. So here b square minus 4ac is nothing but called the discriminant of a quadratic equation, that is a square x square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a is not equals to 0 and b and c are the real constants or b and c are belonging to the real numbers. Then now generally this discriminant is denoted. So here discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac value. So here discriminant is generally denoted by the calculator, that is d or delta. So this is the delta. D or delta indicates the symbol of discriminant, which is given by means of b square minus 4ac. Therefore we can write it as, so here either delta or, so here d is given by means of b square minus 4ac. But whereas here we are discussing about the nature of the roots. So here to know the nature of the roots, that is whether the roots are of real or imaginary, that is complex, or in other words are equal or unequal or rational or irrational. To know about this, first of all we have to find out the value of the discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac, which we got by the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Then based upon the discriminant value, the nature of the roots will be identified. So here to know whether the roots of a quadratic equation are real or imaginary. So imaginary, or in other words it will be called the complex. Real or imaginary, comma, equal or unequal, or rational or irrational. So here, to identify whether they are of rational or irrational, or equal or unequal, or real or imaginary, or in other words complex. So first of all, first we find the delta value, or in other words it will be called as the discriminant. So in other words, the discriminant. Discriminant, which is denoted by d, which is equals to b square minus 4ac. So here the nature of the roots entirely depends upon the delta, that is d, delta, or in other words d, given by means of b square minus 4ac. So here the nature of the roots depends upon only the value of the discriminant So here the nature of the particular roots, the nature of the roots of the particular given quadratic equation will depends upon the discriminant value. So discriminant value of a quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Now here the discriminant delta or d is given by means of b square minus 4ac for all a comma b comma c belongs to the real numbers. So therefore delta, or in other words d, which is nothing but called the discriminant, is given by means of b square minus 4ac for all a comma b comma c, all are belonging to the real number set. Then here, to identify the nature of the roots, there are of 3 cases. So we are going to discuss about the case number 1. In case number 1, in case if discriminant is greater than 0, or in other words, so in the mathematical form, so we can write it as, so here d discriminant if it is greater than 0, or in other words we can write as here, so your discriminant is given by means of b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the roots are real and distinct. So here the meaning of the distinct is of different. The roots will be real and as well as distinct when d is greater than, capital D is greater than 0, or in other words, so b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. In this particular case number 1, so your first one, the first case again in this is of A. In case if d is a, so here the value of d, so here that is discriminant value, if d is, the value of d is a perfect square, then roots are real, unequal and rational. In case if the value of d, that is the discriminant value, is of a perfect square, then the roots are real, unequal and as well as rational. Then now let us go for the second one, that is b. In case if the value of d, that is the discriminant value d, is not a perfect square, if it is not a perfect square, then roots are real, unequal, but they won't be rational, but they are of irrational and rational. So in case if the value of this particular d, that is a discriminant value b square minus 4ac, is not a perfect square, then the roots will be of real, unequal and irrational. Then now we are going to discuss about the case number 2. Case number 2. So in this case, if discriminant value d is equal to 0, so here mathematically we can write it as d equals to 0, or in other words, so here d, that is discriminant value, is given by means of, so b square minus 4ac. In case if it is equals to 0, then the roots are real and equal. So they will be of, the roots will be of real and as well as equal if the discriminant value is equals to 0. Then now let us go for the case number 3. Here in the case number 3, in case if the value of d, that is the discriminant value, is less than 0, if it is less than 0, so mathematically we can write it as d less than 0, but discriminant d is given by means of b square minus 4ac less than 0 in this regard. So in this case, then the roots will be, so here roots are imaginary, or in other words it can be called as the complex roots. Roots are complex, or in other words roots are imaginary if the discriminant value is less than 0.